Hiya and thanks for joining us. Okay, I feel as I'm starting with an apology on this one. It's our first site review and we are quickly learning that we need some better microphones and sound and possibly cameras. But hey, we did the review, we did the recording, so we thought we might as well put it all together and let you have a look at it. I've done my best with the sound. Let's see what you think.
I've been reading the reviews and it said it's a very pretty campsite.
Yeah, good. So hopefully when we have the work done, it's this rocking as we go around the corner that we are told is going to reduce significantly that boat feeling.
Will I not sway as much then?
Well, hopefully. Might keep you in your seat a little bit easier. That swing there should be reduced.
Very narrow.
It'd be nice to get on here without meeting anybody, wouldn't it?
Yeah. There's always places to pull in though, isn't there?
Yeah, the village is okay.
We're nearly there, aren't we?
About a mile.
Looks like it.
Caravan Park. Can't be another one around here. That's Wilton Gate.
Oh, that's it then, yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
A lot of chickens.
So, what do we do?
Now this looks very nice. We've just got to work out whether he's actually booked it or not. We've rung them twice to check it was this one. It appears to be the right place. Can you see the chickens running, Charlie? Hmm? I'll turn the camera on you. Hmm? Good boy. This looks nice. We're having this end one. Oh, this looks nice. Very nice.
So here we are at the campsite. We didn't do much of a video when we got here because we couldn't find the owner and we were mucking about a bit. So let's have a little look. It's called the Wilton Gate House, just outside the little hamlet of Wilton, which is about 2 miles from Thornton Le Dale. And it's a camping and motorhome club CL site. And it's lovely. It's on a farm, so can't see them this morning, but there are horses out there somewhere. There are, during the day, they're not out yet, just thousands of chickens running around in the far fields and a few cows at the end. So being a CL, very small, just a small number of units. And in fact, I think a few of these people here are all regular stayers. I think they store the caravans in another part of the farm. No facilities, no showers and things, just the usual waste and water waste facilities there. And then it's just beautiful. The views are fantastic across the way. We could pick whatever empty pitch we wanted, and we've gone for the one at the very far end there, just for the views and the privacy really. We got here and couldn't find the owner, but the people in the second van along here rushed out and rang her for us, gave us the phone. They even came out with a bus timetable for us and information. Apparently there are quite a few regulars stay here. But now it's fantastic. It's a fully serviced pitch and it's only 20 quid a night for that. So I reckon that's not a bad deal. Well, I hope you didn't find that too painful. If you did like it, then I'd love you to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We value every single one, and hopefully you'll come back again and find some of our future videos maybe a little more polished. Thanks for watching.